Hello, my dear student. Algebra lecture number 5, chapter number 3, arithmetic progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 3.2, page 66. Question number 11. Question number 8. 11,852. This is a AP given. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? Okay, so first you try to understand what is given. In this case, AP is given so that you can find A and D. And the question is this: which term is number minus 151? That means Tn is given. You have to find the number. That means what? In this case, you have to find n. Okay. Solution. In given AP 11,852, A is equal to 11 and D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3, and Tn is equal to minus 151. Okay, then write your formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then substitute values. So Tn is equal to minus 151 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into bracket minus 3 is equal to 11. Then this you multiply inside, minus 3n plus 3, and therefore minus 151 is equal to 11 plus 3, 14 minus 3n, and therefore this 3n you transfer on this side and this 151 minus 151 on this side, and therefore 3n is equal to 14 plus 151 is equal to 165, and hence n is equal to 165 upon 3 is equal to 55, and therefore T55, that is 55th term of AP, is minus 151. Okay, so first you write what is given. Okay, question number 9. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Okay, now first you write down what this AB. Solution. In the natural numbers 10 to 250, now 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. 250 means 248 is the last number, and these numbers are divisible by 4. Okay, is it clear? Oh, now this is what AP, and then find the numbers. Okay, 12, 16, 20, 24 dot 248 last term are divisible by 4 from AP, divisible by 4 from AP with A is equal to 12, D is equal to 4 and Tn is equal to 248. Find the number of terms. Okay, now write your formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then substitute 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. 248 is equal to 12 plus this into this 4n minus 4 is equal to 4n plus 8, and therefore 4n is equal to 248 this 8 you transfer there, minus 8 is equal to 240, and therefore n is equal to 240 upon 4 is equal to 60, and therefore there are 60 natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. Okay. Now these examples are very important, therefore you concentrate. Okay. Now then question number 10. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. Okay. Solution. Let in given AP, T1 means first term is equal to A and common difference be D. Then you write down 17th term and 10th term. And therefore 17th term T17 is equal to A plus 16D and T10 is equal to A plus 9D. By given condition, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term, and therefore A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Then this you simplify, A get cancelled, 16D, this D you 9D you transfer on this side, 16D minus 9D is equal to 7, and therefore 7D is equal to 7, and therefore D is equal to 1. Hence common difference is 1. Okay. Then I explain you some other topic that is very important. So up to this you know what is a common difference. You also know how to find Tn. Now to find sum of the first n term of an AP, there are two formulas. So Sn is denoted, but this sum is denoted by what? Sn. N is number of terms. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l. Now you use this formula when last term is given, where L is last term. Okay, by heart this formula. Whatever formulas are there, they you by heart. Okay. Then for more explanation, I take some example from practice set 3.3, page 72. Question number 1. First term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. So S27, here n is equal to 27. Okay. Solution. Given A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 3, n is equal to 27, to find S27. Now here you simply write your formula and substitute values. Sn is equal to, Sn is equal to, first word always you write your formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and then substitute. Therefore S27 is equal to 27 upon 2, n is equal to 27. 27 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a is equal to 6 plus 20 n 27, 27 minus 1 into 3. Simplify. 27 upon 2 into bracket 12 plus 26 into 3 is equal to 27 upon 2 into 12 plus 78. So is equal to 27 upon 2 into 90 simplify 27 into 45 is equal to 1215, and hence sum of first 27 term is 1215. So this one thing you remember, this is the formula for first terms. Okay, so first terms, from first term it is so this you remember, not any term. Okay, is it clear? Now today it is enough. Thank you. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Okay, please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.